To do that, I'll just create a field called related items button. And then what I can do is, I need to add this metadata that will allow Catalyst to make it easy for Doug to create a skin. That's the skin part metadata. And I can use the new metadata code completion feature in Flash Builder to do that really easily. So I can just type that, and that's already done for me.
All right. So this is all just there to make it easier for Doug, right?
I just don't want him to screw it up. So check this out. I need to make a click handler, right? So I'll start typing click handler. And you can see I have this method here, click handler, which I haven't defined yet. Now, I could go write it myself, or I can use the new quick assist feature in Flash Builder to generate that event handler for me.
All right, so it looks like you don't have to type that much anymore. This is a fast-paced competition, so that's a good thing, right?
Obviously.
Okay.
Now, there's even more things I can do to make it go faster. If I type for each and then control space, I get a for each loop. That's using the new code templates feature in Flash Builder. Of course, you can add your own code templates as well.
Okay. So it looks like this is almost done, right?
Yeah, so this is almost done. Now that I've gotten this far, I can send it back to Doug in Flash Catalyst. I just have to fix these compatibility issues first.
Wait a second. Hang on. You're working in Flash Builder, right? Doug is working in Flash Catalyst,
right?
And you're going to send your project back to Doug?
Yes, that's the best.
Hey, the suit.
Oh, sorry, it's a very nice suit.
Okay.
But that's the best new thing, is that in Catalyst you can now take projects that have been modified in Builder and bring them back into Catalyst to redesign. But let him talk about these compatibility.
Yeah, what about these compatibility issues here?
All right, so Doug's not much of a coder, so he needs everything to work really simply and reliably when he gets back into Flash Catalyst. So luckily, Flash Builder will actually show me if I type any code that's going to make Doug's experience in Flash Catalyst less than totally perfect, so that when he gets back in there, he doesn't have to worry about it and everything just works.
Okay, so Doug, are you going to use this code now in Catalyst?
I can. So in Flash Catalyst, I can take a project or a library that Adam's made for me and bring that into the product. So what I can do is import that exact library that he has, and now we've never been able to do this before, to take something from Builder and bring it into Catalyst. So now that definition that he created is inside of Catalyst.
Wow, okay.
So I already have the artwork finished here in Illustrator, so I can just copy this, go into Flash Catalyst and paste it. And just like with any other component, I can convert it into that custom component that he created in Builder.
Oh, I've seen this before. It's like converting artwork into a button and a scroll bar, right?
Exactly. If you can do any of those components, you can work with any component coming from a developer.
Now, what about transitions and animations?
Transitions, animations, it all works exactly the same. In fact, I can take specific pieces of my artwork and convert them into the parts that he defined for me inside of Flash Builder. So it makes it really easy for me. Can you leave us for a second?
Okay.
So, I know that we had to do this data thing. I don't know much about that. What's the deal? Do we have that covered?
Doug, don't worry about the data access layer. I got it covered. Ask me later.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Okay, while you guys are working on that, I'm going to check in with the other guys here, see how they are doing.
2 minutes. There are 2 minutes remaining in this battle.
2 minutes.
I'd be done by now if I didn't have to keep explaining stuff to you.
Chillax, MJ. Chillax. Handle this guy.
Wow. So, are you done?
Yeah, totally. Came at the right time.
What, really?
Yeah, so we're actually going to get the application running from Flash Builder onto our phone. It's going to look a lot like how it looked when we previewed it on the desktop.
Okay.
And it's really easy to get the application running onto the phone. I just click that debug button in Flash Builder's toolbar, and that zaps the application straight to my phone.
Okay.
So here I have the application running on my phone. And you can see there's that featured list that we were talking about, nice and interactive. Let's do some shopping, because you know what? NJ is acting a little stressed out. Maybe if we buy him something, he might come down a bit.
Yeah, maybe like a nice t-shirt or something, because this
Yeah.
is a little bit...
Totally. You don't like our outfits? Okay, so let's just go and pick something up. Maybe this little item right here. Oops, there we go. And we can now see all of the information about the item. Let's add it to my cart. You can see up here that the shopping button sort of updates to show that we've purchased an item. So let's check out what our shopping cart looks like. Going into the shopping cart. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay.
Happen here, what's going
No
on?
one panic. Sometimes mistakes happen in Kitchen Stadium. I think the application froze.
Oh, no, we're all good. Actually, I forgot to tell you, I was actually debugging in Flash Builder, and I had a breakpoint on that cart button. And you can see that we actually hit it here in Flash Builder when you tap on that cart button.
Hey, that's cool. So you can use the debugger in Flash Builder while you're running it on the device?
That's exactly right.
That's
If you
amazing.
press here, you can see that I can use all the same debugging features that I would use in a normal Flash project on the device.
All right, now this is an Android application, right? I've heard there are other platforms out there as well. What about those?
Well, this is the preview release of Flash Builder, and right now it supports Android applications. But I hear that Adobe is bringing Air and Flash Builder and Flex-based development to other platforms like BlackBerry Tablet OS and Apple iOS.
That's amazing.
30 seconds. There are 30 seconds left in this battle.
Well, you guys are almost done here, so let's stick with the red team. See if they are equally in good shape, guys.
We're actually done.
You're done?
We're done.
Okay, show it.
So, this is the Geek Gear website. It shows all the geek items. These are the items that I can browse, of course. And if I click on this,
Oh, yeah, that looks cool.
yeah, it's an interactive laser pet toy. I get details for it. It's
My cat would love this.
it's a laser for your cat. I can add it to my cart. Of course, that pops up this little cart thing here. And all of this was really pretty easy once Doug created the skins for those skinnable components, and I integrated them back into the main project in Builder.
I do have a question, though. It looks like this is working with real data. When did you do that?
So I saw that Deepa had factored her backend into this nice little library project, this little reusable library. So I just kind of took it.
Whoa, hang on. Let me see if I get that straight. So, Deepa built this for her mobile application, and you're using the exact same code in your browser-based application?
Damn skip.
Oh my god, that is amazing.
Whoa.
What?
Are you saying that you stole my code?
If you can't handle the heat, get out of Kitchen Stadium.
Adam, it's over!
Battle over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This battle has ended.
Right, so, calm down, please, okay? It's gonna be all okay. So, we're gonna take a short break, but after the break, we're gonna see what the judges have to say about all this. But in the meantime, go and try